got no reason to be sad anymore. I'm always ready with a smile, with just one glimpse of you. You don't have to search no more, 'cause I am someone who will love you for sure. So if we fall in love, maybe we'll sing this song as one. If we fall in love, we can write a better song than this. If we fall in love, we will have this melody in our heads. If we fall in love, anywhere with you would be a place. You can watch sad movies in a different light, so I'll be right there beside you, hugging you so tight. Your hands will never feel so cold and empty again, 'cause I will keep on holding on and won't let go. You don't have to search no more, 'cause I am someone who will love you for sure. So if we fall in love, maybe we'll sing this song as one. If we fall in love, we can write a better song than this. If we fall in love, we will have this melody in our hands. If we fall in love, anywhere with you would be a better place. Feels so good when you're around. One smile from you makes my days feel so right. So if we fall in love, maybe we'll sing this song as one. If we fall in love, we can write a better song than this. If we fall in love, we will have this melody in our heads. If we fall in love, anywhere with you would be a better. Fall in love.
Let's give it another round of applause for our new breed music artist, Angela Ken. Thank
Hello
you.
po. Hi,
Sing the
Carol.
theme song
Congratulations
of the
to
series.
the four of you. Hello
Thank
po.
you. And we'll see her more, especially with Lyric and Beat. Alright,
Yes.
maraming salamat, Angela
Thank you.
Ken.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Good afternoon, guys. On the stage,
Hi.
we've got Andy, Kobe, Seth, and Andrea Brillantes. Okay, I'll start off with an easy question. No? Everyone is so excited to hear your voices. We just heard the official soundtrack of your series, If We Fall in Love. My question is, easy lang to. Are you?
Are you?
Are you
Are you?
in love?
Ah?
Taas,
Are
ah.
you? Ako!
Oh, wow. Tapang. Seth with yes. Andrea?
Silence means yes.
Silence, please. You got me there. You got me there, brother. Yes or no? I won't ask why.
Kung in love ako?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
With life.
With life, okay. I won't ask why. Nagsabi ng reason. Kobe.
Si Andy muna.
Kobe ka.
Oh.
Oh? Oh.
Oh.
Yes, right there. And Andy?
Yes.
Oh. Even yung audio natin kinikilig sa mga kaganapan dito. Pero of course, we have seen a snippet of your series, Kinikilig Lahat. Can you tell us more about your roles right here? Who are you portraying? Let's start off with this guy over here, Kobe.
So I'm playing the character Vic. Si Vic is the best friend of Ricky, Seth's character, and he's has something with Andy's character, si
No
Joe.
way.
No.
What?
Totoo.
Totoo?
Totoo.
Okay.
But si Vic is a very awkward guy. He's new sa Pampanga. So, he goes there to, live his life to the fullest because he has a heart disease, actually. And that's where he meets Ricky's character.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting story. So we got Vic right here. Andy?
So, the character I'm portraying is named Joni. Joni is the childhood best friend of Elise. And she's a really happy-go-lucky person. She's always so jolly. And like what Kobe said, she falls in love with this guy named Vic.
Just to be clear, Vic, no? Not Kobe.
Yes,
Vic. Okay. Okay. How about you, Seth? Narinig na namin yung pangalan mo eh.
Ako si Ricky doon.
Ricky.
Pangalan ko Ricky.
Ricky. Okay ka lang, Ricky.
Ricky, tapos si Ricky ay para siyang YOLO talaga siya. Tapos,
Did you say Lolo or YOLO?
YOLO.
Okay, you only live once.
Yun.
Okay.
Tapos, everyday is a blessing. Yung mga motto niya. So, kumbaga, kapag may problema siya, hindi niya pinoproblema. Hinahayaan niya yung problema na mamroblema sa sarili niya. Ganun.
Living in the moment, present
Yun.
lang, yun ang mahalaga.
Yun lang. Oo. Tapos, best friend ko to si Bansot.
Ino tawag?
Tawagan namin doon sa
Bansot?
series.
Yan.
But what's your name?
Naiintindihan niyo kung bakit. Pinoportray ko ho dito si Elise.
Elise.
Ako ay isang med student doon, pero dating punk rock, ganyan. Kasi super fan ako ni Yeng. Tama ba?
Tayong dalawa.
Fan kami ni
Ay,
Yeng.
kami
Fan
dalawa
kami
ni
ni Yeng. Tapos dun kami nagkakilala ng best friend ko na si Ricky. So, best friend ko siya for 7 years. Tapos nagsimula yung relationship namin na ayaw namin sa isa't isa.
Huh?
Kaya yun nga yung tawagan namin. Basta unang sa trailer parang yun, nag-aagawan kami ng album.
Gusto ko yung ginawa si Andrea. Basta panoorin mo yung series, panoorin mo.
Kasi ayoko sabihin yung buong character ko, wala na silang aabangan eh.
Hindi, pero for sure, aabangan nila lahat itong series brought to us by ABS-CBN Entertainment and IHE Philippines. Pero matanong ko lang, para kina Seth and Andrea, syempre yung mga Seth-dria, nakaabang right there. Anong bagong challenges ba ang hinarap nyo for this team-up? Saying goodbye.
Para sa akin ho, mas nahirapan kami sa mga ibang eksena dito kasi there was one scene na parang 6 pages long siya. Opo. Grabe si Direk Dolly, pinahirapan kami. Tapos,
Direk D, shout out.
Opo, grabe. Mas mahirap po yung roles namin dito kasi mas malalim ho siya kasi ang saying goodbye, hindi lang siya tungkol sa love. It's about friendship and we're tackling situations like death, heart diseases. Kaya, mas seryoso siya kasi ito nangyayari talaga to sa totoong buhay. At mas nahirapan lang kami kasi 22 years old kami dun eh. So, mas mature talaga kami. Natatawa ka sa 22 years old, Kiro.
What's wrong with... I'm 22 right now.
Oo nga.
Wow!
21.
21 years in ABS-CBN. Papunta na doon. Pero mas maganda nga yung nakita namin na kakaibang shift, no?
Opo.
You tackle more mature issues.
Yes po.
Oh,
Ikaw,
interesting.
may gusto mo sabihin?
Saka yun nga, yung sa role namin talagang mahirap. And then yung, gaya ng sinabi, pinaka nahirapan ako yung sa 6 pages na linya talaga.
At saka ang daming
Abangan
linya
namin
dito
yan.
ni Ali. Promise.
Doon, ako nahirapan sobrang daming linya.
Pero nakaka-proud kasi dati hirap na hirap siya sa kadenang gito mag-memorize. Pero dito, ganyan yung mga linya niya na may memorize na niya. Yee!
Kita nga namin yung pagka-proud mo. Sabi niya, grabe si Ali.
Ay,
Grabe talaga siya. Proud na proud
Yun, pero
ako
ano
sa'yo,
naman,
Ali.
kahit may challenges naman, kuya.
Yeah.
Talagang kaya namin.
Of course.
kinakaya namin.
Of course. Lots of people believe you. Is there someone at the back? I can see some. Oh, that's a picture of Miss Melly. Natakot ako sa likod. Okay, may picture sa likod talaga. Nagulat ako. Look at that one. Meron talaga. Okay. Meron. Pero let me just ask Cody right now.
Hello.
Nax, Kobe, and Andy. This is one of your first team-ups, no? Pero gusto ko malaman, ano ba yung mga natutunan nyo sa set, lalong-lalo na sa ating set 3?
Maging
But
maingay.
para sa akin po, always have to be prepared before going to the set. You know, it's my first project, so I didn't wanna make make myself look bad or anything. I wanted to do my best, and I know, just don't be too nervous. When I was there sa set, it just all went through, just all flowed perfectly.
Naturally.
At first, I was like looking around everywhere. I didn't know what to do, but then everyone made me feel very comfortable. The staff were very helpful. The other artists were very helpful to me. So, yeah, that's something I learned. Just do it. Go with the flow.
Go with the flow. Andy, this is not your first project, no? But
No,
what-
but
what-
it's my first love team project. And the one thing I learned from Seth and Andrea is to just enjoy the experience. It was an honor working with the both of you, and nagpapasalamat ako dahil they made it, all the cast, they made this experience extra special, extra fun, and it's something that I will forever keep in my heart.
Thank you.
I'm sure that
Kinilig
would
kami dun.
translate, especially when we watch the series very, very soon. No? But through this project, what would you like our viewers to learn about love?
Siguro.
It's a big question right there.
Dito, lalo na sa karakter ko dito. Kasi ako, wala akong pakialam sa kamatayan. Yung Ricky dito.
Si Ricky, okay.
Wala siyang, kung anong kakahantungan, kung ano yung mangyayari bukas, wala siyang pakialam. Basta kung ano yung nakikita niya ngayon, kung saan siya nakatayo, yun lang yung papakailaman niya. So,
Para kay Ricky, anong pagmamahal?
ang pagmamahal is everything.
Wow.
Hindi, ayun, hindi, dito, ang maituturo namin sa kanila at ang pakay namin na makita nila sa series na to wag titignan yung death bilang deadline.
Katapusan.
Kung hindi bilang motivation na gawin yung mga bagay na gusto natin magawa at di tayo magsisisi baka, di ba? Ano tayo?
Ano yung
Ayun.
We all got that no? Pero that's a great philosophy, actually. Kung alam mo kung kailan kang mawala, you're gonna live your life to the fullest. Diba? How about you, Andrea?
Ang matuturo ko sa kanila tungkol sa love para sa akin is umamin ka na. Oh, don't waste your time na wag kang magpadala sa takot mo na kasi madaming technical, ayaw nito, bawal kanyan.
Limitations.
Oo, sabihin mo na yung totoong nararamdaman nyo. Kasi minsan, mas magandang sabihin mo na before it's too late. At, ayun lang, pag pinanood nila yung saying goodbye, maintindihan nila kung bakit ko sinasabi na umamin ka na, huwag ka na maghintay pa ng 7 years char. Ayan, nasuspoil ko na tuloy.
Ayan, tuloy.
Ate Andy.
Oh, Ate Andy, ikaw, umamin ka na ba?
Ay! Ewan.
Secret. For me, love is one of the greatest feelings in the world. And sobrang sarap na nabibigay mo yung pag-ibig na unconditional, na walang limitation. Tulad ng sinabi ni Andrea, kung may mahal kang tao, ibuhos mo yung pagmamahal mo para sa taong yun. Kasi wala namang masama pag nagmahal ka.
Basta hindi ka tao pag di ka nagmamahal.
Oo, tsaka
Hindi ka nabubuhay pag di ka nagmamahal.
in order to live, you have to love.
Yeah, kasi
Yes.
nga, all we need is
Love.
Say we just...
Oo nga, ikaw, anong entry mo?
Para sa akin, Kuya Robbie, you know,
Lahat kami, may mga entry na. Ikaw, anong entry mo? Kobe?
time is gold, and
Nakita ko yan sa Twitter kanina eh. But why?
time is gold.
In relation to
spend,
love, time is gold. Why?
spend as much time as you can with, not just, a girlfriend, boyfriend, but with your family then. Love your family, love your friends. your mom, your dad, your siblings. Spend as most time as you can with them, because you know, you never know when one day you might not have that time anymore.
Aw.
Kasi you'll never know kung kailan ka mag-goodbye. Dahil nga, saying
saying
goodbye
goodbye.
tayo.
Sakto, no? But we will say hello, actually, to this new series, the newest and latest offering coming from ABS-CBN Entertainment and the home of the beloved Asian entertainment, iQIYI Philippines. So, to our wonderful cast right here, please invite everyone to watch Saying Goodbye. Let's start off with Cody first.
Saying Goodbye starts December 4, Saturday, 8 p.m.
One new episode weekly.
Sabay na sabay, ah. And about
Sabi
you?
na nga nila yung sa amin eh.
It is directed by?
And this is directed by Direct Dolly Dulu. Yun.
Ayun po, pinagbibidaan po ng maraming aktor at actress din po dito. Ito po nakikita nyo. Kasama po dito sila Dominic Ochoa, si Miss Sunshine Dizon, si Sir Polo, si Miss Valerie, si Sir Bernard Palangka. Basta marami ho.
And a
Of
whole lot more.
course, ang kapwa singer ko. Yes,
Ayun,
kapwa singer ko na
Ate
si
Yeng.
Miss Yeng Constantino.
punk rock nga
Yes,
dapat.
as a
And then-
singer. Thank you. Charot.
Well, I'm sure yung mga kapamilya po natin and friends from the media have lots of questions for you. That is why we will be entertaining them right now. My question is, I've seen the questions. Game ka na ba?
Game na
Game.
kami.
Game na.
Game na.
Okay, let's start off with Pelikula Mania Manila Feed 8 list. The question is, what's new with the character, or how different are the characters you're portraying in this series from the ones you have done before? I think this one is directed to everyone. Okay? But Kobe, this is your first
it's my first.
acting.
Yeah.
So let me ask Andy first.
I guess what the one thing that makes my character different is that she was always happy and jolly. Napaka-positive niyang tao. Wala siya. She chooses to like look at the bright side. Hindi tulad ng iba kong character na may mga downfall, ganito, ganyan. So, I guess that's one thing that makes Joni different.
Happy Joni in the series. Okay? To Seth?
Siguro yung sa akin, yung dahil meron ako ditong sakit. Kasi yung mga nagawa ko, meron akong heart disease dito. So, challenge yun sa akin kumpara sa mga nakaraan kong nagawa, Kuya Robby. Yun yung challenge sa akin. Pero,
Laban.
yeah.
How about you, Andrea?
Sa akin, medyo nakakatawa sabihin, pero si Elise, she's the most normal character na mapiplay ko kasi ang si Marga, di ba, sobrang maldita niya. Ito talaga, parang totoong tao siya. Med student, may best friends, hindi sila okay ng mommy niya. Siya yung pinaka grounded and realistic na character na nagawa ko. And yun yung nahirapan ako kasi sanay na sanay ako sa teleserye na sobrang drama, ganyan, super heavy. Ito, heavy yung plot pero kailangan ko gawing magaan. Ang pinaka-challenging naman sa akin dito is nakakaiyak siya pero bawal akong umiyak, maiyakin akong tao. Yun yung mahirap dun.
Wow. So, a different side of Andrea yung makikita natin dito.
Yes.
Okay, can't wait for saying goodbye. How about this question naman coming from Metro Style to Andrea? What do you and your character Elise have in common? Writing on the title of the show, what have you... This is so good. What have you said goodbye to this year?
Grabe. Bigla ko naiyak. Charot. Yung in common muna namin ni Elise, I think parehas kami na palaban kasi very strong personality si Elise eh. Pero parehas din kami na mapagmahal na kaibigan. Very lucky ka kung magiging isang best friend mo katulad ni Elise. At yun lang, kasi mas madami kaming pinagkaiba actually. ni Elise. So, konti lang yung in common namin. Kanino ba ako nag-goodbye ngayon?
It could become, pwedeng hobby, pwedeng
Yung
oras,
iniisip ko hobby, pero
pwedeng koko. Naipit. Saying goodbye.
I think my hair.
Your hair. Why? What happened?
Yes.
Your hair is so
I
beautiful.
said goodbye to my hair. Kasi, for the longest time, di ba long yung hair ko, tapos nung 2021, I decided to cut it off. I think yun yung pinaka malaking goodbye ko sa buhay ko ngayong 2021.
Saying
Buhok
goodbye
ko.
to your long
Saying
hair.
goodbye to my long hair.
Oh.
Actually,
Good
it's a
question,
big
actually.
deal for us girls kasi alam nyo naman, ito yung buhok namin, parang corona namin eh. Tapos,
Crowning glory.
Yeah, crowning glory namin. Tapos, I had to say goodbye to her.
Well, kahit anong hairstyle nyo,
Yeah.
especially to our lovely ladies right here, and si Seth tsaka si Kobe mag-agree, you look wonderful.
Thank you po.
Alright, to Seth, may question sa'yo ang Metro. The characters you and Andrea are playing in Saying Goodbye is said to have formed an unusual bond over their love for music and adventure. Off-cam, what is something you and Andrea are both into, and what are you most excited about playing Ricky in this new show? Punk.
Siguro yung Ricky and Elise, yung pagkakaparehas namin dalawa. Siguro yun.
Saran natin.
Asaran, kasi talagang ano sila eh, asot pusa si
Love-hate
Ricky and Elise.
relationship.
So,
Tawag
kami,
pa naman, pansot, di ba?
so kami, ganun din, asaran. Yung mga hilig din nila, music, ayun, pagkain, nagkakasundo kami. Tapos naman yung pangalawang tanong, yung what is...
What is what? What are you
Ayan.
excited about para
Ah,
kay Ricky?
Pinaka-excited ako na i-play si Ricky. Siguro, yung thrill na magawa ko na maipakita ko sa lahat na may sakit ako. Yun yung pinaka-gusto ko eh. Yun yung pinaka-gigil ako na maipakita ko sa lahat ng manonood na yung...
New offering.
Yun. Yung parang panibagong mukha na naman.
Oo. Saka, can I just say, coming from Pinoy Big Brother, no? Nakaka-proud yung growth ninyong lahat.
Thank you po.
Yes, malapit ka na pumasok. Okay. Pumasok ka naman.
Naging housemate ako for 24 hours. Yes.
Oh yes, yeah, I remember that one.
Pumasok
Tama.
kami nun. Naging housemate din ako ni Kuya.
To our housemates, I'm so proud of
Thank
you.
you so much po. Thank you,
Kuya
Kuya.
Ron.
Thank you,
Ramdam
Kuya.
na ramdam talaga ni Andrea. Okay, we got this question coming from TV5. Manila Feed, Push, and Andrea Brillantes fan club. To all, actually, what you did a lot of projects together, but what makes this project special and close to you as a love team? And how does it feel that your team up was chosen as one of the pilot projects of Aichi and ABS-CBN? This one, I'm interested. Let's ask first, Cody.
So this is actually our first project together. Pero I
Handpicked.
think this one is really special to me because of course naman it's our first, and to be doing the first Filipino original series for Aichi is such a great opportunity for me. It's a blessing, and I'm happy that I got to work with Andy. Dahil alam ko she's sobrang talented siya, and I did learn a lot from her. I can learn a lot from her, and I felt like when we were working together it was very smooth because ano.
Grabe. Grabe yung tingin na yun, ha?
Ganun talaga pagkasama mo yung inspirasyon mo sa trabaho.
Ganun po talaga si Kobe pag kasama si Ate Ann.
Did you see that one? Yung sulyap na yun? Tapos biglang tumunog yung If we fall in love.
Biglang may background.
May background music. Pero take us back to that moment, no? What was the process like nung tinawagan kayo ng Aichi and ABS-CBN that you'll be part of the first one, actually?
Well, I was shocked, and of course, napakalaking honor nito. Napakalaking opportunity nito, knowing na we just started in this industry,
Yep.
our first love team project. So, those factors really make this project super special. So, nagpapasalamat kami sa ABS-CBN, sa Dreamscape, and of course, sa partnership namin with Aichi. Thank you so much sa tiwala and for believing na we can do this project.
Yep. And of course, to Seth, Dria, right after one teleserye, now you got not just one but two series for IGE Philippines and ABS-CBN Entertainment. Let's talk about this one first. Saying Goodbye. Ano ba yung naramdaman niyo nung sinabi na, handpicked kayo to become part of this great online series?
Siyempre, we're both very grateful and honored na kami po yung napili para gumawa ng first Filipino original series ng IGE. Pero kasama
Pressure.
kasama na dun yung saya. Pero
Pressure.
siyempre, may pressure. Sobra po kami na pressure kaming dalawa. As in, kaya nung atat ako makuha yung script, pwede ko na po ba mabasa yung script, tapos minemorize ko na agad lahat. And talagang madami akong ginawa to prepare for this series. As in, nagbasa ako ng mga libro na
Medical books.
Hindi naman medical. Ang hirap na, Kuya Robby.
Marami
Mahirap
ako sa
po
bahay.
yun.
I can
Ang mga
lend you.
binasa ko lang po The Fault in Our Stars, tas A Walk to Remember. Kasi parehas siya ng plot sa Saying Goodbye. So, nanood ako ng movies, nagbasa ako ng books, tapos pinipilit ko din si Ali. Sabi ko, uy, madami ka linya, magbasa ka na ngayon. Tapos, as in, grabe yung pressure kasi kakaalis lang namin from Huwag Ka Mangamba. So, medyo wala kaming masyadong pahinga. Pero, other than that, mas umaapaw pa rin yung saya na nararamdaman namin. Kaysa sa kahit pagod na kami physically, mentally buong-buo kami and masaya
Excited to
kami.
do this project.
Excited, super. And, ayun, nakakaiyak kaya, yay! Ayoko na nga magsalita.
Another project, no? Let me just go back a little bit. This is actually a unique plot with those kinds of elements na mararamdaman natin. Seth, you said, nakaka-pressure. Sobra.
Nakaka-pressure. Kasi, blessing to eh. Pero itong blessing na to pinagkaloob sa amin na may halong responsibilidad.
That's
Lalo
true.
na kami yung first,
Hindi lang to
responsibility din, grabe.
So, alam mo, una kong ginawa. Alam yan.
Ano yung
eh.
unang ginawa mo, bro? Sige nga, kwento mo naman yung
Yung
unang
una,
mo ginawa.
yung una, script reading namin. Nasa kotse ako, talagang binabasa ko kasi merong mga one-liner na English doon.
Is it okay if we have like a sample of that one?
Wait, kwento mo muna,
May
Ali.
British
Kwento
Yeah,
accent.
mo
my
yung
British
ano.
accent.
Si Ricky, British accent.
Wala.
Yes, it's
Ali,
Safi
kwento natin
boy.
sa Huwag Ka Mangamba.
Ito, bago pa po namin malaman. Bago pa po
Nagparte kami neto. Nag-asaran kami ni Ali sa van. Sabi ko, Ali, paano pag next role mo? Englishero ka, paano yan?
Nagkatotoo nga.
Sabi niya, kaya ko yan. Sige nga, di tayo magtatagalog, English lang tayo. Tapos nanahimik na siya buong biyahe. Oo. Tapos bigla nung binasa ko, hala Ali, may mga one-liner kang English dito.
Oh, yun yung
Kaya yung
pinoblema
pressure
ko.
sa kanya, grabe.
Pressure. Talagang sabi ko kay Direk Dali,
You know, people are just wondering, Seth, what are the lines that you'll be saying in this series? Is it okay if you give like certain lines, certain sample?
live the moment, Vic. Meron pa. Pero sabi ko kay Direk, pwede po bang pag may linya ko saan ako komportable. Talaga nagtanong ako kasi talagang napagpapalit ko yung P at F. May kasi akong ganun.
P and F.
P and F. F.
Okay lang yan. Kasi, pero maganda yung sinabi mo kanina, no? Nakaka-pressure. Kasi
Nakaka-pressure
in this industry, lalong-lalo na sa ginagawa mo, kung mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, dapat
Pressure.
kabahan ka. Kasi pag hindi ka na kinakabahan,
Wala.
kabahan ka na.
So kailangan lagi ka dapat
On your toes.
makakaramdam ka talaga kahit gaano ka pa, kahit nasang estado ka pa dito sa trabaho natin. Dapat mararamdaman mo yun.
That's true. Pero ngayon, may gustong iparamdam ang Seth Dria Fan Club. And their question actually is for Seth and Andrea, how far would you go for one another since you play fans of a celebrity in Saying Goodbye? Do your fans influence you too?
Oo, napakalaki ng influence nila sa akin, especially when I'm tired or when I'm sad. Kasi bilang, syempre, tao lang din naman tayo, nakakaramdam tayo ng minsan na para saan ko pa ba ito ginagawa? O kaya may days na nasa pinaka-lowest of the low ako, tapos pag open ko ng phone, pag sa Twitter ako, tapos may kita ko lahat ng tweets sa akin ng fan ko, tapos yun yung influence nila sa akin na dami nagmamahal sa akin. At minsan kapag alam mo, pagod na ako, makita ko lang sila na mahal ako. Tapos naiisip ko, grabe, may mga tao na kaya akong mahalin kahit hindi pa talaga nila ako kilala. Sila nagpapatuloy sa akin everyday. Kaya mahal na mahal ko sila at kung mahal nila ako, mas mahal ko sila. Doble pa ng pagmamahal na binibigay nila sa akin.
Well, that's good. I'm sure na-appreciate yan ng mga Seth Dria fans all over the world. Seth, do you want to add on to that one?
Ayun, halos parehas din sinabi ni Ali. Pero, ito, gusto ko lang idagdag kasi lahat ng meron kami ngayon, kaming dalawa.
Silang
Isa rin sila
Kayong dalawa na? Sorry?
Sa aming dalawa.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yung meron
Let's be
kami
clear.
na natatanggap
Pero,
namin
Bio.
galing sa itaas. Siyempre, lahat din yan sa tulong din nila. So, lahat ng ginagawa namin ay para sa sarili namin, para sa pamilya namin, at para sa lahat ng tumatangkilik at
Yun.
tumahanga sa amin. Nagmamahal.
Andito tayo para.
Sa
Sa
isa't
isa, oo.
Pakanta
As
tuloy
a
lahat.
singer.
As a singer. Okay, now we got this question naman coming from 8 List. Push to everyone. How do you think you've matured or grown as actors both individually and together with each new project that you do together? Ito, interesado ako kay Cody dito.
Para sa akin po, I think at first, well, yeah, again, this is my first project, but when I first came onto set, marami akong naisip. I was thinking, what if I, don't do so well? And it was making me so nervous when I came onto the set. And siguro, I've matured because I don't try to think about that anymore. I'm just focused on what I'm doing. I'm focused on my lines. I'm focused how I'm gonna portray this character. So this project really helped a lot. Si Direk naman din, she really helped me so much. Minsan she'd bring me to the side and just give me talks, and it would make me feel more comfortable. And as a couple,
Whoa, whoa,
no,
whoa.
I mean together. I
Wow.
mean as a
Oh.
pair, as
Oh.
a pair.
Yeah.
No, not couple.
Si Vic and
No.
Johnny kasi couple.
No,
Johnny.
I mean pair.
Si Vic
Tubig,
and
Kuya Robby,
Johnny.
tubig,
I mean,
tubig.
fair.
Si Vic and Johnny.
Hear
As a
that
pair.
one.
No, as a pair, as a pair, as a pair, as a pair.
This is the magic of
As a pair.
IGE and
As a pair,
ABS-CBN.
as a pair.
Kobe, gusto mo tubig?
As a pair.
Hinga ka muna, Kobe. Hinga ka muna.
Namumula silang dalawa?
As
Why
a pair.
kaya?
As a
Grabe
pair.
yung tenga ni Kobe. Tingnan niyo yung pula-pula.
Parang pinitik ka
Ang lamig
ng
dito kasi.
50 tao.
Kulay na ng damit ko.
Ang lamig dito kasi.
Okay, let's go back. As
Pero,
a pair.
As a pair, Kuya Robby.
Mhm.
I think we've matured together because yeah, this is our first project. We matured together, and yeah, like I said before, I learned so much from Andy because I know that she's had more experience than me. Minsan, when we have free time, we just practice with each other. What else? And she would really help me when it comes to, delivering my lines and everything. She'd tell me, "Oh, this is what I think you should do," and like she would help. I'd like ask her, "What do you think?" And
How to execute,
how to execute the
scene properly.
And yeah, I think this project made us become even more comfortable with each other. Kuya Robby.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Hopefully, and I know actually, this would open more projects for you.
Sana po.
All right?
Hope.
Yep. Andy, as a pair.
Well, individually, I guess I've grown through this project in a way that I was able to portray a different character. And along with other artists I've worked with in Saying Goodbye, I also learned a lot from them, and that adds up to the growth I received in this industry, in my career. And as a pair, since it's our first, this is our first Love Team project.
As a pair.
As a pair. At first, I didn't know how to really paano ba namin pwedeng pakiligin yung mga tao sa acting na yun. And
Iba kasi yung dynamics di ba? Sa loob ng bahay ni
Yes.
Kuya, it's it's just there. Authentic
Yes.
talaga ng mga nangyayari. Pero dito, authentic acting.
Authentic acting
Oh,
with lines,
lines.
with blockings,
Yeah.
this and that. And that's one thing I learned. How to be able to execute that, to show that kilig through acting. And it was fun. It was really fun because it felt natural lang. It felt like Kobe and Andy lang. And we really enjoyed. Kasi nakita ko rin, syempre may natutunan din ako kay Kobe, yung pag-e-enjoy lang. Pag-e-enjoy ng experience na yun.
I'm sure lahat kami mararamdaman namin yung kilig na yan, that magic of kilig when we watch this series. To Seth first. Seth.
Ako, ayun, individually. Kasi sa lahat ng project na napasukan ko, lagi ako nagtatanong pagtapos. Lagi ako nagtatanong na ano ho ba yung mali ko sa mga senior actors na nakasama ko? Ano ho ba yung mali ko?
Which is good.
Para next na magsama tayo, sa sarili ko na lang. Pero ang sinasabi ko sa kanila, tita, ano po bang mali ko? Ano po bang mali? Ano po ba yung kulang sa akin na pwede ko pang dagdagan, na pwede ko pang bigyan tuon ng bigyang pansin? So, dito, nagagamit ko siya. Kagaya ng script. Hindi kasi dati hirap po talaga ako mag-memorize ng script. Hirap po ako. Pero ayun, nakaka-proud sa sarili ko na babasahin ko yung buong script and then pag alam ko na po yung takbo ng kwento, tapos ginanong ko yung script, na ano ko po agad yung lines.
So, for short, pag nabasa mo, memorize mo na, pa-humble pa
Yun. Ang
pa-humble
tawag dyan
pa
ay perfect. Perfect para sa'yo.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay.
So yun, proud ako sa sarili ko. At
And we're
sa
proud
amin
of
dalawa
you,
naman,
Andy.
nag-mature din kami dalawa.
Yeah.
For sure.
Sobrang nag-mature kami as in, di ba?
Okay. How about you?
For
Andrea?
me, I think what helped
Individually.
me grow as an actress is sa bawat character na ipoportray ko, meron akong natututunan sa mismong character na yun. Kasi kapag meron akong role, sinasa puso ko talaga, kinikilala ko siya, inaalam ko bakit niya kaya nasabi mga bagay na to. Bawat line ko, binibigyan ko ng context. So, parang ang dami ko nakikilala na tao. And 'di ba sa bawat tao naman na dadaan sa buhay natin, meron tayong natututunan.
Tama.
So sa bawat role ko kay Marga, kahit kontrabida siya, madami ako natutunan sa kanya. Natutunan ko sa kanya na totoo ang karma. Kaya huwag kang magiging masama sa kapwa mo kung ayaw mo maging masama sila sa'yo. Kay Mira, natutunan ko sa kanya na dapat huwag ka mangamba. Yun ang natutunan ko kay Mira, na lagi lang siya maniwala kay bro at lakasan niya lang pananampalataya niya. Kay Elise, natutunan ko na dapat talaga sinusulit mo ang oras mo with your loved ones at huwag ka masyado maging torpe. Umamin ka na kung... Si Elise, natutunan ko lang naman. Para
Nagpaparinig
in
ka ba?
future, in future purposes lang naman.
Okay.
Kay Robin naman eh.
Kala ko,
Okay.
paparinig ka eh.
So, as a pair
Okay,
naman,
as a pair.
nag-mature kami ni Seth kasi syempre, feeling ko malaking epekto yung new protocols, itong pandemic, kasi nagkatrabaho kami nun kadenang ginto, di naman ganito yung pagtatrabaho natin eh. Very different, walang lock-in tapings. Si Ali, lagi siya may kasama sa protocols, bilang lang ang taong pwede mong isama, tapos hindi kami nakakauwi. So, parang bigla kaming tumanda, kasi iba yun, para kami na may sarili kaming apartment. So, umaasa lang kami sa isa't isa. Ngayong new normal natin, mas kailangan namin alagaan ang isa't isa kasi syempre pinagkakatiwalaan ako ng pamilya ko kay Seth, pinagkakatiwalaan din ng pamilya ni Seth, si Seth sa akin. So mas caring kami sa isa't isa ngayon. So I think ganun kami nag-mature, hindi lang talaga trabaho, talagang inaalagaan namin ng isa't isa.
Ang daming mga lessons, ang daming mga stories ang narinig po natin individually, as a pair and as a couple. And I would love to thank everyone, all the cast members of this great series, saying goodbye. But before we let you go, actually, we got something for our beautiful ladies right here. These are for you, Andrea, and these are for you, Andy.
Thank you po.
Beautiful flowers for our beautiful guests. And later on, actually, we'll be having the cast come back right here on the stage. Kung may mga katanungan pa kayo, hold on to those. Kasi if we have time, pwede nating sagutin pa yan. Pero to all the questions coming from our kapamilya, friends, maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the cast of Saying Goodbye. Thank you, Kobe, to Andy, to Seth and Andrea.
Thank you po.
If we fall in love. Wow. Well, right now, here is another exclusive offering coming from ABS-CBN Entertainment and IGE Philippines. A story that combines romance and music. Mga kapamilya, let's all watch and listen to this one.
Lyric and beat